la tua Madonnina.
Allora, welcome to Hello Mama, a store that's specialized in Italian food for you to cook in your day-to-day life, for those special occasions or just whenever you feel like it. Now would be the time to say ad nauseum that we are gourmet, but we don't even need to. We are so convinced that the careful selection of our products speaks for itself. We have products for vegans, vegetarians, gluten-free, flexitarians, red wine freaks, and those voracious consumers of mortadella at unearthly hours. Together we stand. Fellini, Loren, Celentano, Vitti, Cardinale, Battiato, Pavarotti, Tortellini, The Ninja Turtles, Tony Soprano, vegan lasagna and tofu ragù all'arrabbiata. We couldn't care less about preconceived ideas and cliché. The best way to celebrate Italian culture is by shaking it up and making it modern. And although there is pretty much nothing that beats a good carbonara, what we do goes way beyond just pasta. We want you to dance and drink while you cook, to learn by eating, to look after your health, to laugh until it hurts with your friends, to go big or go home, and to gather around the table with whoever you consider family. My friends, tutti a tavola.
Yeah, I'm very passionate about Italian food.